Okay, we're going to do 71 through 82, and basically they're talking about cube roots. So what you can do is you can kind of, if you do the cubes of things, you can see what the cube root is by going the other direction. So if we take 1 cubed, we get 1. 2 cubed is 8. That's 2 times 2 times 2. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 5 cubed is equal to 5 times 5 is 25 times 5, which is 25. 6 cubed is 36 times 6 times 6, which is 36 times 6, which is, let's see, 180 plus, should be 216, I think. Let's see. 6 to the third power is 216. 7 cubed is equal to 49 times 7. 49 times 7 is 343. 8 cubed, 8 to the third power is 512. And 9 cubed is 9 to the third power, which is 729. So problem 71 is 64, so that's problem 71. The answer is 4. The cube root of 125 is 5, which is 72. 73 is 343, which is 7 cubed. So the cube root of 343 is 7. 729, the cube root of 729 is 9. So that's problem 74. 75 is 216. So the cube root of 216 is 6. Cube root of 512 is 8. So that's problem number 76. So that was pretty easy. And you can do the same thing if you do the fourth power. So if you take 2 to the fourth, 3 to the fourth, 4 to the fourth, 5 to the fourth, 6 to the fourth, 7 to the fourth, 8 to the fourth. And what that means is you're just multiplying it times itself to 4 times. So this is just equal to 1. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. This is 81. 4 to the fourth is 256. 5 to the fourth is 3,125. 6 to the fourth power is, I must have messed that one up. I did 5 to the fifth power. I knew it was wrong because it was, the next one was not the right. So you get 625. 625. 6 to the fourth is 1,296. 7 to the fourth is 2,401. 8 to the fourth is 8 to the fourth is 4,096, and 9 to the fourth is 6,561. So if you do the fourth root of this, you get that. You get 9. Fourth root of 4,096. So now we can just look at the problem. So the fourth root of 1 is 1. So that's the answer to problem number 77. The fourth root of 16 is 2. So that's 78. Problem 78. 79 is 256. So the answer is 4. 79. 80, the fourth root of 625 is 5. So that's the answer for 80 is 5. The fourth root of 4,096 is 8, so that's 81. And 2,401 is, so the fourth root of 2,401 is 7. Now, I'm just going to do the last little bit here because sometimes your calculators don't have these roots. So if somebody asked you to do the fourth root or the third root of 43, what you would do is you would say 43 and you would raise that to the 1/3 power. So the root is the same as the So whatever the root is, you put that in the denominator. So the way we do this in a calculator is we take 43, we raise it to this, we put 1/3 in parentheses so that it does this calculation separately. So if you take 43, raise it to left parenthesis 1/3, right parenthesis, you get 3.503. So let's look at 86. 86 is the fourth root of 2,107. So that's the same as 2,107 to the 1/4 power. And we do that on our calculator by 2,701 to the, and then you do 1/4. 2107 raised to the left parenthesis 1 divided by 4 right parenthesis, and we get 6.7751. So that's how you sometimes handle that in the calculator.